Theta value equivalent to 13.9883 rands a coin. The present cost range, 13.8016, 14.4501. The earlier day close, 14.2432. The change was 0.2549. 1.79%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 3. Cost 14.61 rands, high 15.63, low 13.59. Theta figure on Friday, August 4. Cost 14.34 rands, high 15.34, low 13.34. Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 14.04 rands, high 15.02, low 13.06. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 14.64 rands, high 15.66, low 13.62. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 14.84 rands, high 15.88, low 13.80. Theta conjecture on Thursday, August 10. Cost 13.99 rands, high 14.97, low 13.01. Theta cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 13.33 rands, high 14.26, low 12.40. Theta conjecture on Monday, August 14. Cost 14.50 rands, high 15.52, low 13.49. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 13.78 rands, high 14.74, low 12.82. In about 14 days Theta conjecture on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 14.44 rands, high 15.45, low 13.43. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Cost 14.01 rands, high 14.99, low 13.03. Theta conjecture on Friday, August 18. Cost 14.29 rands, high 15.29, low 13.29. Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Cost 14.81 rands, high 15.85, low 13.77. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 14.85 rands, high 15.89, low 13.81. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, August 23. Cost 14.21 rands, high 15.20, low 13.22. Theta gauge on Thursday, August 24. Cost 14.15 rands, high 15.14, low 13.16. Theta cost forecast on Friday, August 25. Cost 13.54 rands, high 14.49, low 12.59. Theta gauge on Monday, August 28. Cost 13.27 rands, high 14.20, low 12.34. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 13.12 rands, high 14.04, low 12.20. In about a month Theta gauge on Wednesday, August 30. Cost 14.45 rands, high 15.46, low 13.44. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, August 31. Cost 14.48 rands, high 15.49, low 13.47. Theta gauge on Friday, September 1. Cost 14.84 rands, high 15.88, low 13.80. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 12.57 rands, exorbitant cost 12.57. While low cost 10.65, the found the middle value of cost 11.81, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 11.45, change for December 8.9%. Theta estimate for January 2024, first and foremost cost at 11.45 rands, exorbitant cost 11.94, while low cost 10.38. The found the middle value of cost 11.23, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 11.16, change for January 2.5%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024, first and foremost cost at 11.16 rands, exorbitant cost 11.16, while low cost 9.32. The found the middle value of cost 10.42, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 10.02, change for February 10.2%. Theta estimate for WOC 2024, first and foremost cost at 10.02 rands, exorbitant cost 12.36. While low cost 10.02, the middle value of cost 10.99, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 11.55, change for spring 15.3%, Theta cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at 11.55 rands, exorbitant cost 14.34. While low cost 11.55, the middle value of cost 12.71, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.40. Change for April 16.0%. Theta gauge for May 2024, at the outset cost at 13.40 rands, excessive cost 14.56, while low cost 12.66. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.56. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.61. Change for May 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 13.61 rands. Excessive cost 14.80. While low cost 12.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.78. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 13.83. Change for June 1.6%. Theta figure for July 2024. Before all else cost at 13.83 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.21. While low cost 13.83. The middle value of cost 14.76. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.15. Change for July 9.5%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at 15.15 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.95. While low cost 13.87, the middle value of cost 14.97, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.91, change for August 1.6%, Theta gauge for September 2024, in the first place cost at 14.91 rands, exorbitant cost 14.91, while low cost 12.37, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.87, Theta cost figure toward the month's end 13.30, change for September 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at 13.30 rands, excessive cost 16.23. While low cost 13.30, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.50. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 15.17. Change for October 14.1%. Theta figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 15.17 rands. Excessive cost 15.17. While low cost 13.13. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.40. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.12. Change for November 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at 14.12 rands. Exorbitant